Hello, my name is Dylan. I work at Nelspray. I'm an engineering apprentice, and at Nelspray we build spray systems for spraying chemical agent, and we send them around the world. So we've just recently acquired the Strata weld cleaner. We are using it to tackle the welds that are not good looking. It'll cut back quarter to half the time of having to clean. Efficient, it's compact, it's not dirty, it's not dangerous compared to pickling pastes. We obviously make big systems and they get welded up, and after that we like to clean them so they look good for just the product, and for the customers they look good when they get there and it's all clean. The old way I used to do it was dipping it into a container with the acid, and that took a lot more time. So this machine is way more efficient. Dependent per job, so if I was doing cleaning for about an hour, probably save at least 10-15 minutes. So a good amount of time, definitely makes it faster. So we get the pump station, for example, and that's quite large, so that'll be a full day's job with it. And then everything else that comes with the pump station that's stainless steel welded also needs to be cleaned, so they'll keep coming. It's very easy, just flick it on, chuck the earth on, and then the acid's already there, so it's 30 seconds if that. Very efficient. It's a tank system that's in the SWS where we can put acid solution that cleans the welds. I've also put water in the other one, so you can switch it to the other tank and then clean the acid out the hose or the tube, just to make sure it lasts a bit longer. So if you turn the dial down, it's got another button on the brush where you can boost it, and it just, instead of having to go back and forth, I think that's another really good addition to the machine. Just made them look better quality, less marks on it, on the stainless finished product. The research and development recirculation tank, I did some weld cleaning on that and they came out pretty immaculate, so I'm quite impressed. Go for it, get it, it's good, it's really good. It's efficient, fast, powerful, and looks real fancy. All our machines are Strata, yep, and they're good welders too.